How to add transitions to your clip in InShot. Now, in order to add transitions to your clip in InShot, you can see this button between all of the clips that you have. Now, in order to add transitions, just simply tap into this icon, and after that, you will get a whole bunch of transitions into InShot. First one is basic, then super, then film, and so many others. But in order to use all of the other transitions than basic, you will need a premium subscription to InShot Pro, but you already have a little bit of transitions that you can use and will be really useful in your videos even if you are a free user. Now just simply select the transition that you like. I like this first or the second transitions, and after selecting the transition, just simply tap to this check button and the transitions will be added. Now just simply play the video and transition will be in effect. In the other one, there is no transition because I haven't selected. Now if I select the transition just like before, it will add the transitions like this. As you can see here, transition is added. Now this way you can very easily add the transitions into your edit into InShot. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.